Hello, my guy. How are you?
Good and you?
I'm good. How is it going?
All good, thanks.
I'm good. So my name is Praise, ne? And this is my artist. His stage name is called Selling Killer, and his real name is Tanaka. We're from Zimbabwe.
Okay.
Yeah, are you from South Africa?
I'm South African, yes.
Okay. So
You're his producer?
Yeah.
Are you his producer?
I'm his manager. I manage him. Yeah. Actually, he was doing drugs before.
Oh, okay.
Before his career.
Okay.
So I have a song that he recorded when he was doing the drugs. So I just want you to read the song. I'm going to play it now. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, sure, no problem. But he's fine now. He went to rehab. Yeah.
What genre is this?
Yeah, it's called dancehall.
Dancehall.
Yeah. Zim dancehall.
Ibibi, matata kutosimbudzira kuti mumtizurura anombodza muchikosora somhera munofanira kuti muzurura tikati mwana wangu ndoziva kuti chazorora musi wanditazurura.
Yeah, so that's the song.
What do you rate it?
So out of 10, what do you give it? Like I'm sure
I don't know much about dancehall. I'm gonna say out of 10. Wow.
What genre do you listen to?
I make hip hop music as well.
Okay.
Man.
Yeah, that's
I'm gonna just beat. I'm gonna
hip hop also.
You do hip hop.
Yeah.
Muka usaskipa prayer tirira aiwosa daidzaru mvura yakasviba uchachira.
It's not bad. I'm gonna say a 5.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't listen to it, so I'll say 5. I think it's fair because I don't know knowledge
okay,
of it.
sure.
I'm just gonna go back to drugs.
Hey,
5 is not the one. Hey,
what are you looking for?
an 8.
An 8.
I can't make it, kid.
But soon we're gonna release his new song. So.
But this is a prank. It's fine.
Is it?
Okay, so,
I see you recording me.
Yes, the cameraman.
Oh, okay, so
yeah, but it's really a Zimbabwe song. There's an artist called Silent Killer. And now he's on Hit. He's going to perform to UK like tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, so
it's not on Hit just because he's a good artist. It's because people are making fun of him.